my texturizer, and you separate the second one like this, and you start put it on like this. Do this, do that. Let's see. Okay, so you mix it and you leave the pot like this, and you go on, take the second pot. If you want, you can start from the front. If you want, you can start from the back, so depend on you. You make sure everywhere, everywhere. So you do this, and you go to the middle part and the back. And you mix it. Like this. Hope you can see the back. You go to the middle one, the second part. You open it like this. You add some more. You mix it up like this. This is the final look, guys.
Got it?
Final look. So the back is very long.
Oh,
What are you doing in my video? Come on. Let's go get out of my video. So
my video, you know?
it's very long and it's curly. The back, see? The back part, it's very long. For me, I feel like the back and the middle part is more curly than the front. Let's see. I think so too.
Yeah.
It's more curly. So yeah, I like it, guys. It's curly, very good. So I don't know, if you like it, please give me a like and comment below. Let me know what you think. Okay, thank you.